What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to show you guys how to personalize your event. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is make our quads. We're going to be making 9-inch quads and 5-inch quads. So next you're going to be taking your balloon ribbon and you can tie it around your first set of quads. However, you can use fishing line, you can use the 260 balloons, whatever you are comfortable with using. Next, we are going to start building our base. You just take your balloon ribbon and you go up and down and around, up and down and around. Okay, when you finish, this is how your base should look.